What's up, my good people? Welcome guys to Tech Explorers, your number one online channel where we always bring you amazing content. Kindly don't forget to like and subscribe. In today's video, we'll be learning how you can be able to fix your USB port in case your USB ports are not functioning well, or in case you are trying to connect, that is for example your flash disk, your modem, or even you are trying to connect your mobile phone using your PC, your mobile phone and a PC using a USB cable, but you are not able to connect. How can you be able to fix that problem? How do you go about it? Let's fix it together. So all you need to do is just click the search button and search that is for device manager. This is a device manager, so you just need to single click and it automatically open that is your device manager. What do I mean when I talk of your device manager? That is in Windows 11. When we talk of device manager, this way you can be able to access all hardwares connected to your PC. For example, we have, in this case, you can see we have audio inputs and outputs, we have the batteries, cameras, we have disk, we have display adapters, we have DVD and CD driver, that is drivers. We also have human interface devices, we have keyboard, mouse, modem, monitors, network adapters, portable devices. We also have ports, we have printing queues. So all those devices are hardware devices and they are connected to your PC. So when you talk of the USB, we have these USB ports. They are physical ports which are in your PC motherboard. Either you are using your desktop or you are using your laptop, you have the USB ports, and the USB ports fall under device manager because they are hardware components. And in case they are not functioning well, or in case you are trying to connect a USB port, then after some time it connecting and disconnecting, or even at times no response. You need to do something about it. You can see for here we have the universal serial bus, so you just need to click the universal serial bus, and you can see at the universal serial bus we have almost 5 devices. We have USB root hub, we have a USB composite device, we have Samsung mobile, we also have Intel USB 3.0, and we have generic USB port. So in case your PC, that is Windows 11 PC, USB ports are not functioning, first thing that you should check is your USB ports enabled or disabled. How do you check it? So you just need to click that is generic USB hub, just right click, and you can see that you can go to disable your USB ports, and when you find the disable option, it means those ports are enabled. So what next can you be able to do? So what you need to do, you just need to click in case those ports are enabled and still not functioning. So what you need to do now is to update the drivers for your USB ports. And how do you go about it? So you just need to click that is update drivers, then click search device, search automatically for drivers. And when you click search automatically for drivers, then it will just need to click the search for updated drivers on your Windows update, and it will open that is Windows update in the settings, and it will sync for those drivers and install them to your PC. So this our check for update button, you start syncing, and immediately those devices are downloaded. You need to start your PC, and after you start your PC, these USB ports will be back live and you start functioning. So that's how you are supposed to do it. You just need to click the USB hub. In case those ports are enabled, the next thing that you need to do is update the drivers. Once the drivers are updated, they start your PC, those ports will start functioning as required. And that's all we have for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.